Two cities, tiny in size, yet powerful enough to influence the global economy, Singapore and Hong Kong. For decades, these two Asian giants have battled for one thing: the financial throne of Asia. One became the gateway to China's trillion-dollar economy. The other became the world's safe haven for wealth, technology, and global business. But in recent years, the battle changed. Money moved, talent migrated, investors panicked, and suddenly, Asia's financial crown was no longer secure. Long before Singapore became a global financial powerhouse, Hong Kong already ruled Asian finance. Its location gave it a massive advantage. Sitting directly beside mainland China, Hong Kong became the perfect bridge between East and West. Global companies used Hong Kong to enter the Chinese market. Investors poured trillions of dollars through the city, and multinational banks rushed in. Over time, Hong Kong transformed into one of the most important financial centers on Earth. It developed one of the world's busiest ports, one of Asia's strongest stock exchanges, and some of the deepest capital markets in the world. By the 2000s, Hong Kong wasn't just rich, it was essential. But while Hong Kong dominated global finance, another city was quietly preparing for the future: Singapore. Unlike Hong Kong, Singapore had almost no natural resources, no oil, no massive population, no giant domestic market. Yet its leaders made one critical decision. They would build Singapore into the safest and most efficient business hub in Asia. Taxes were kept low, corruption was crushed. Infrastructure became world-class, English became the language of global business, and foreign companies flooded in. Over time, Singapore evolved into a financial powerhouse. Today, it manages trillions of dollars in global assets, hosts some of the strongest banks in the world, and became one of the wealthiest countries on Earth. Then, everything changed. Between 2019 and 2022, Hong Kong faced massive protest, political uncertainty, and strict pandemic restrictions. Global investors became nervous, businesses began searching for alternatives, and many found one: Singapore. Billionaires moved wealth, companies relocated offices, financial talent migrated south. Suddenly, Singapore was no longer just competing with Hong Kong. Many believed it was replacing it. By 2022, Singapore overtook Hong Kong in several financial rankings. The balance of power appeared to shift. But Hong Kong wasn't finished. As China reopened, money started flowing back. Investors returned to capture opportunities tied directly to the Chinese economy. Hong Kong still possessed something Singapore could never fully replicate: direct access to China. Its connection to mainland markets, its enormous stock exchange, and its position as China's financial gateway remained incredibly powerful. By 2025, Hong Kong reclaimed its position as Asia's top financial center in major global rankings. So, who actually won? The truth is, neither city fully defeated the other. Hong Kong dominates growth, capital markets, and access to China. Singapore dominates stability, wealth management, fintech, and global trust. Instead of destroying each other's, the two cities may be evolving into complementary financial giants. One built for speed and growth, the other built for security and permanence. And together, they represent something much bigger: the rise of Asia itself.